Here's a Harbor Breeze Bellevue ceiling fan in 44 inches. I picked this fan up off of the side of the road the other day. It came almost all complete except for the globes and the pole chain pendants. I think this fan's from 2010, if I'm not mistaken, and it's kind of a cheap fan. Obviously, it's just a Harbor Breeze from the late 2000s, but it works fine. That's really all I have to say about it. The performance is as expected, and yeah. So I'll turn on the light for you. There's the light. Of course, they have to have the candelabra bulbs because Harbor Breeze is cheap. There's low speed. Hums horribly, but it's as expected. But I'm probably going to use this fan as replacement stock because I have no other use for it at all. I will say though, I am feeling a little bit of a breeze over here. So that's low speed, it's going very fast. It's medium. It's a very light fan. It's not heavy whatsoever. It's doing a fair job for a Harbor Breeze. I think these sold for about $50. I think I have an ad from one from around the time these are being made, and it was $50, I think, if I'm not totally mistaken. And high. It's going pretty fast. I'm pretty sure these were actually called the Bella Vista before they were called the Bellevue. But I'm not too familiar with Harbor Breeze, so if I'm not wrong, or somebody correct me on that if I'm wrong. Kicking out a breeze. Blades are about o'clock. It's playing. It's a very small motor too, it's not very big at all. All the tags on the top. I have the correct mounting bracket for it, again I'm just using that for the video. There's the blades, I'm not sure you can see that. They reverse to the maple light finish. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video.